Hello everyone, this is David. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the use of the Force Grit magnetic sanding device. We have a small scratch here that we're fixing on the edge of this fender. We'll be using this to take care of this repair. Throughout this repair, the device is going to keep the flatness automatic due to the magnetic stabilization of the block. This is a metal panel. We also can fix plastic panels and also aluminum with our tin plate intervention. That is something we will describe and demonstrate in our other panels, our other videos. As you see, this will go rapidly fast. Feathering is what we are attempting to show you. This device does amazingly well feathering out your repair so that you're not over priming or using primer as a material to correct the surface. As you can see here, it's well feathered out. It only took a few moments. We're not speeding up this video. And now we're gonna go ahead and we primed. And as you can see, we're gonna use a 600 sandpaper, and our device will do an adjustment. Now we're using the 600 to perform more like a 400 grit. This is the unique thing about our device. You can work with any sandpaper and be able to use the different grit ranges with the sandpaper just by dialing in your setting. You can go from coarse to fine within minutes, instantly. Now we're using the 600 more like an 800. As you can see, I'm showing you here that it is magnetic. It's going to always be flush 100% of the time, giving you an even ultra flat surface. Be sure to check out our other videos and also visit our website at www.forcedgritsanding.com. And here you have our final finish. Painted. Hello, my name is David, inventor of the Force Grit magnetic sanding system, built by Atec for Tex. This is the best block for auto body and paint repair. No block gives you flatter results faster, with no rework needed. It features a magnetic dial that adjusts grip performance on the fly. No sandpaper changes required, delivering some of the fastest repair performances ever available today. It works on steel, plastic, and aluminum. using a 10-plate backing for full magnetic alignment, giving you self-correcting, ultra-flat refinishes every time. To learn more about our product, visit us at www.forcedgritsanding.com. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you for your time.